Good morning, YouTube. Louie here with the best silver gold deals of Friday, March 7th, 2025. And the February non-farm payrolls report came out a minute ago. This is jobs created, 151,000 versus an estimate of 170,000. So a little light on the job creation, but not as bad as that ADP report the other day. Let's go ahead and see what that is doing to metal prices. And here we go. We've got gold up $7 to 2,918 and silver down 19 cents to 32.43. We'll check the futures market, and futures were over 33 this morning. Futures crashing down 49 cents to 32.58 with support at 32. So you could see as much as another 50 cents to the downside on silver before futures reach support at 32. Could make it a good buying day. We'll have to see if silver takes the hit. The GSR is at 89.99, call it 90, and right about in the middle of that range between 88 and 92. The 10-year Treasury is selling off as a result of that. Let's see, average hourly earnings are up 4% versus a 4.2 estimate, so people not making as much as was estimated. Back to the 10-year, yeah, a little selling off at 4.24, so we have a stagnating economy, it appears. Let's keep going here. The dollar also off over 0.5% to 103.48, but we're getting very close to support there on the dollar. If the dollar rockets up for any reason, that could be bad for silver. Okay, let's check at the copper price. Copper, I think, hit 480. Yeah, bounced off 480, now at 473, so repelling hard against that resistance there. And the previous low was 474. We're at 473. Copper may sell off today as well, but it's been an amazing run. And on the economic calendar, whoa, what is that? I don't want that. Hold on one second. U.S. economic calendar. And today is Friday, last day of the trading week. Like I said, the jobs report came in light at 151,000 versus 170,000 estimate. And the unemployment rate is 4.1 versus 4.0 estimate. More people out of work, fewer jobs being created, and that spells stagflation. All right, in the pre-market, well, we haven't had our bounce, have we? We had a bounce, they took it away, and now here we are in the stock market, still at 17 on the extreme fear greed index. It's got to bounce at some point, but I wouldn't have my money there. Anyway, Dow futures up 5, S&P futures up 3, NASDAQ futures up 28. I wonder if that sell-off is going to take us down below the 200-day moving average on the S&P 500. If it does, it'll be a hard break, but there could be a bottom forged in there somewhere if you're buying stock. All right, let's get on to the deals. If you're buying metals, we can get a 1-gram gold bar for 106 at Summit Metals. If you haven't bought the new customer deal over at bullion.com, 94 for a gram of gold. Be sure to pick that up if you haven't already. All right, a 1/10 Gold Eagle is going to be 325 this morning. A 1/10 maple is going to be 315 at Hero Bullion. A 1/4 ounce Gold Eagle is 776 at Summit Metals. A 1/4 ounce Krugerrand is 770 at Summit Metals. $5 commemorative 0.24 ounce of gold is 717 at bullion exchanges in the slab. Half ounce Gold Eagle is 1,528 at bullion exchanges. Half ounce maple is 1,508 at Summit Metals. Half ounce Britannia is 1,526 at Monument Metals. Half ounce Krugerrand is 1,504 at Summit. 1 ounce Gold Eagle is 3,021 at bullion exchanges, and a Buffalo 3,024, $3 more at bullion exchanges. A gold maple 2,996 at Summit, pretty good deal there. All right, let's move on to, let's do the 1 ounce Krugerrand, often the cheapest of your sovereign gold coins. Hourly earnings year over year, 4% versus 4.2 estimate. People not getting the raises that they had hoped for. Summit Metals, Krugerrand, 2009.66, and that's not bad. That's not much over spot. Okay, let's keep moving here to the 20 franc. 20 franc 558 at Provident Metals. And let's keep going here. Random quarter ounce metal at bullion exchanges might be circulated is 744 at bullion exchanges. Okay, platinum, which has been catching a bid lately, 1,143 for the Platinum Eagle, which is a collector coin. If you're just buying platinum and you can stand those high buy-sell spreads, 1,060 over at SD Bullion for a random sovereign platinum coin. A Silver Eagle this morning at bullion exchanges, 35.54. They brought their premiums down, and that is, well, shoot, about $3 over spot right there. That's a BU, Random Date Eagle. That's a good deal at bullion exchanges. We'll see if we can beat this on eBay and Costco and other places. And welcome if you're new. Appreciate you guys being here. Give me a thumbs up while you're thinking about it. I'm looking at the website, bestsilvergolddeals.com, where we're trying to find the best deals anywhere in the known universe. And we're not sponsored by any bullion dealers. Okay, at Pinehurst, you can get 20 for $35.89. 100 for $35.59. Bullion exchanges, no, bullion exchanges beating them across the board this morning. They really brought their price down a lot. Over at Walmart, they're about 37 over at Walmart. So about 36 if you check out with that PayPal credit card, have a 3% rebate credit card. I'm still cautious here. I think something big is going to happen. I think the markets will likely bounce here, although they are in a downtrend now, in my opinion, the stock markets. And it's been very curious that metals have been moving up in the face of a very fearful stock market. But I'm always worried that shoe's going to drop. I would bookmark anything that you like, and if we get a 50, 70-cent sell-off in silver or $50 in gold, then I'd do my buying then. I'm still waiting for that pullback. Okay, in the maple category, we've got 34.77 over at Summit Metals. That's brilliant uncirculated. And you can find circulated maples and other coins, gold and silver, for less, but I'm doing brilliant uncirculated here. That's what most people want. Okay, a kangaroo, 34.46 at bullion exchanges, lower premiums there. A Britannia, 34.35 at bullion exchanges. A Krugerrand, 35.04 at Monument Metals. A Philharmonic, 34.40 at bullion exchanges. All right, and we found a 1-ounce Libertad. Now they're going for 39.46 over at SD Bullion. Hopefully you already bought yours. The 5-ounce Lib is 194 at bullion exchanges. We got ours at 180 to 185. Star Privy Eagle, I just avoided at this point. Over at Costco, all we have is, I think, 3 or 4 offerings this morning. And yeah, they're all in stock. The one I like best is the gold bar at $2,959. Use your 4% rebates to get that well under spot in the gold market. But if you're a Buffalo person, $3,029. Take about $120 off with that executive club membership and a 2% rebate credit card. And you'll be at $2,900 flat on a gold Buffalo. And the platinum has come down as well to $10.59 if you like platinum bars. Let's keep moving. Did I skip the key? No, let's do junk. Junk, a little more expensive these days, 23.81 at Hero for $1 face. The half dollars or more, the Mercs are even a little more than that. You can still get 20 rounds at bullion exchanges for $6.53. Can you do that deal every day? I don't know. That's, rounds at spot. Can't beat that. All right, and if you're looking for a quantity of 20, Pinehurst has got Buffy's at 33.24. Not a bad price there. And new customers can get the starter packs. You know about that. The kilos can be had for, should be a little cheaper, 1,083 over at Monument Metals. Not much cheaper. I think we can beat that price. Let's get on to eBay. If you need a pocket pinger, it's right here. All right, and Silver Eagles today, best price for the culls. Let's see if we can get a good deal on Silver Eagles with those premiums coming down. Maybe they'll drop them on eBay as well. Let's see, we've got $36.25. Is there a cost for shipping? $14 shipping, so that is bad feedback, 92% feedback. Okay, that is no deal. Let's get on to a tube of BU Eagles at bullion.com. 37.30, 36.30 out the door, no deal. We're going to have to look for a large lot to find something better. If you're buying a big old lot of Eagles, you can get a BU lot of Eagles at 37.36 out the door. Boy, eBay not coming through today. Okay, let's keep going. Let's do a tube of maples. We did have some good deals there recently. 908 BGASC, a tube of Britannia's cheapest price. 885, okay, getting better. Tube of kangaroos, cheapest price is 888. And Krugerrand's cheapest price is 901. So let's do 885. Let's check our handy little cheat sheet here. 885, I think I said. That's going to put you at about 34.30 melt, and that'll be over $2, 250 over spot, something like that. Let's check the Philharmonic here. Maybe we'll get a better deal on the Philharmonic. Philharmonic's tube of 20 is going for 720. That's 36 a coin, 35 out the door. Nope, nothing to write home about. How about junk? Maybe we can get a good deal on $10 face. Let's see, that's 50, 50, and $5. Ooh, Mercs, $5. No, we want $10 face here. $10 face, quarters, Standing Liberty, no dates. Yeah, this would be the one at 238. That is good seller, good feedback, free shipping, 23.8. I don't think anybody's buying this, but you make this guy an offer of 230, you'd be at 23 times face, then you take off 60 cents, you'd be at 22.40. 22.40 if you got that deal by doing some wheeling and dealing. 22.40 on junk would be a conversion of, oh, what happened? I lost it. 22.40 would get you out the door at about 31.50. So that'd be right around spot, right? What's spot right now? Spot right now. Oh, that'd be under spot. So somebody relieve this guy of his quarters. Even at 23.80, you'd be 23.20 out the door. It'd be a pretty good price on junk. So I like that deal right there. All right, let's keep going. How about a big old lot of junk? Got to get back to eBay. A big old lot of junk in the trunk is going to be lost. Where am I? Just 1 second. 1 second. Bear with me right there. Okay, and a big lot of junk with dates is going to be full dates 2460. The small deal is better. Okay, so small deal, better deal if you don't have those sales tax considerations. I like the Carson City Morgans, and I like the high relief piece dollars for collectible numismatics. Let's take a look at what Libertads are selling for. $10.69. What happened to $900? Wow, are they selling those? And they are the 2024s. I don't know, did the mintage finally come out? That is a really high price, and they've sold 17. Used to be you could click on the 17 and see what they sold them at. Don't ever, you have to go to the sold listings. Let's go ahead and go to the sold listings. Let's see what the libs are selling for. Last one, February 1st, sold at $9.49. $9.49. Is this still in stock? Why is it not coming up? No, he dumped his at $9.49. So it looks like you got to pay over $1,000 for a tube of libs now. Very interesting. How about a cheap kilo? Kilo is going for as cheap as out of stock. No, in stock, 1,114. $30 off would put you at about 10.80 or so on a kilo. That's a push with the dealer. Let's try to find something better. Here's your vintage bar of the day for you silver bar collectors. See if I can get it bigger. This guy is selling his collection of silver art bars. You don't see this very often, and there are some people that go crazy for these art bars. If you see those in the these in the LCS, you know, around spot, you may want to pick these up. They carry a pretty high premium. And looks like he's got a pretty nice little collection there. He's only got 13 feedback, so beware. He's got 100%, and he's charging $19 shipping. But he's dumping, looks like he's dumping Dad's silver bar collection there. Let's do the math on that. He'll take a best offer. So what if you offer him $2,000? He's an unsophisticated seller. 2,000 divided by 39 ounces. 39 equals 51 an ounce. Even with the rebate, you'd be at 50 bucks an ounce. So that's pretty high priced. But there may be some good stuff in there. I don't know. Some of you go crazy for stuff like that. I've never really gotten into the art bars myself. A kilo kook is going for $11.40, about $11.10 out the door after a 3% rebate. And a deal for 1 ounce rounds, $34.28, $33.28 out the door with that 3% rebate credit card. In a tube of 20, you can get them for $34.40, $33.40 out the door. Okay, if you like those. The Cowboy Rounds, which is the first release from Scottsdale Mint, are only going for $35.50, about $34.50 out the door for a nice collectible high-quality Scottsdale round. If you resell, you may want to consider that. LCS won't pay up for them, but that's a very nice round. It's got a good following. Okay, 100-ounce bar can be had for... where's the Hundies? $33.77, $32.77 out the door with silver. I can't remember these numbers now. Silver at $32.41, 30 cents over spot. Silver now down 20 cents. Gold still up. Not too bad. Okay, Platinum Eagle is selling for $11.83, and the 2023. Ooh, look at 2019's carrying a premium as well. The 2023 is selling for $1,400 this morning, just so you know. A 1/10 gold is, random gold is $3.23. Is that a real deal? It is out of stock. Thank you very much. BGASC, the offender there. Okay, let's look for a 1/10 gold bar. Okay, that's in stock, $3.25. That's going to be a Valcambi out of the packaging. So he took one of these packs. This is what I'm talking about with these multi-packs. People break them up and sell them and make money doing that. But $3.25, then you're going to take $9 off. Call it $3.15 for a 1/10 gold bar out of assay. Ooh, here's a kookaburra for $3.26. Hey, very, very nice. Oh, I like that. Liberty Coin, good seller, good feedback, free shipping. $3.26, $10 off. It puts you at $3.16 for a 1/10 kookaburra. 2024. That's a nice buy right there for fractional gold. I like that one. I would buy that. Look, you can get multiples too. If you buy 10, you can get them for $3.23, about $3.13 out the door. That's very nice. And then you can hit your sales tax limit if you want fractional Perth Mint gold. I like that. Okay, hey, we found something good. Okay, a 1/4 ounce gold can be had as cheap as $7.81 for a Panda. $7.81, $20 off, $7.60, something like that after your 3% rebate credit card. Let's go to the 1/4 ounce gold Eagle, and that is, this one's out of stock. Yeah. Let's go to the 806. That is in stock. 5 available. Actually, 807. $25 off would put you at about $7.85 for a gold Eagle. Let's keep going here. You can compare that to the best price at any of the dealers up above. Let's do a 1/2 ounce gold maple. 1/2 ounce gold maple, $15.53 minus $45 puts you pretty close to $1,500 on that gold maple. 1 ounce random gold. Anything good here to steal gold is gold. If you're not picky, you just want the gold medals. We got to get up over 2,500, that's for sure. Let's see, here is a gold buffalo from China. No, China. No, no, no. Yes, we'll take a gold. Oh, this one out of stock. In stock. 1 feedback seller. No. You got to kiss a lot of frogs to get your prints. Let's see. Gold Valcambi bar. It is a 51 feedback seller. I'm not going to bite on that. but that is a 1 ounce Valcambi. He's got positive feedback, only 51. He's taken a best offer. You may want to mess around with that to get 1 ounce gold under spot. You may not. Okay, what about this one here? $29.75. And yeah, good seller, good feedback, free shipping, and 1 ounce gold. And that is $29.75. $90 off would put you at $28.85. And that is also a good deal right there for just a good old bullion bar. Not bad. Under spot. I think that's worth a poke. Let's go up to the gold buffalo. Let's see, 3103, and good seller, 3100, $90 off, puts you at about a little over 3,000 on the gold buffalo. That'll beat the deals up above. Okay, now by a little bit anyway. How about a Krugerrand? Excuse me. Hold on 1 second. All right, a Krugerrand for 3,025. Oh, 3 feedback seller. We can't do that. Sorry, Charlie. 3,038 from Scottsdale. Good seller. 3,033. So $90 off. It puts you at $29.43 for a Krugerrand, just a little over spot right there. That's not a bad deal. Okay, and moving on. I like these Tudor gold coins. They're pretty reasonable premiums. A $5 commemorative this morning is as cheap as, is it going to be $7.25? Best offer, $8 shipping. Only 76 feedback, but all 100% positive. He's dumping his $5 commemorative. It is the booby prize. It's a 69, so naturally you want to get rid of it. 725, 733, and then you're going to take $20 off. That would be about 713, but he'll take a best offer. He'd probably get that out the door for about $700. Let's see what the dealers are asking for their $5 commemoratives. Is it more than 700? Hold on, got to get to it. $5 commemorative. Just a second, right there, $700. These are going for $715, so you can save $15 on a commemorative, and that is a 0.24 ounce of gold. So going back to gold, that's a good deal on that gold commemorative, which is right there, which is right here. So pick that up, somebody. That's a good deal right there. Make him a low offer. I don't know. Make him an offer of 700. See what he says. The other thing you can do is put this in your cart, and he will probably make you an offer unless he doesn't know about such things, being a greeny seller here. Let's see. Let's get back to the deals. We're doing pretty good with gold today. Let's see, but let's move on to other stuff. Okay, here are things in my store. If you're looking for anything exotic, a collector coin, or if you are a recently joined channel member, you can pick up any of these 3 bars here at $250 over spot, up to 5 ounces per month, and then other things that are very cool. If you want something poured by the bear, there it is right there. Whoa, impress your friends with that. I shouldn't be selling that, but I am. Okay, and a precious metals verifier, about $1,000, but you're going to take, take your 3% off, and then use that Capital One card to get another 4% off. That is a great deal right there. It's a basic equipment, but it'll do just fine. Here's a vacuum sealer I highly recommend. And you can refine your bars in the Devil Forge right here. This is my Amazon store. Pick one of those up and melt those really cheap 100-ounce bars, and then turn them into shot. Sell the shot. Melt your own bars. You can certainly sell for more than spot. Okay, we've got the Amex card, which actually is $250 cash back. It's a 3% rebate credit card. You'll have to have good credit to get it, and then you can use that at the grocery store, use it on Amazon. That's a great card, but it does cap out at $6,000. The PayPal card is unlimited, and mere mortals can grab that one. That is 3% cash back when and only when you check out through PayPal. Here's the Quicksilver card, and they've got a deal right now for $200 back. But the nice thing about this 1.5% rebate credit card is it works everywhere for everything all the time, and it's unlimited. And then you get these kicker deals that give you an extra 4% off on eBay or Chewy or Home Depot or Lowe's, or like I just bought a washing machine recently. I just bought a laptop. All those 4% really add up. Not the best card for precious metals, but it's not bad either. Okay, and the picks of the day. The koala is out of stock. And you see these new cowboy rounds are going for 35.90 over on Scottsdale. You saw that you can pick that up in the 34s for the previous generation. So that's how you want to buy those. Wait a couple months and then wait till the market is choking on them. The Odin bars, these came up the other day, these 10-ounce bars. That was in the chat room. Somebody posted that. They had about 16 available. You never find them anymore, and it's a good collector bar if you can get it, below 40 bucks an ounce. So I still have mine, but go to the chat room, guys, and follow the deals there. Those guys are maniacs. They're looking for deals like you wouldn't believe it. And something like that comes up, somebody's going to buy them all. And it's gone now, I'm sure. But anyway, the chat room is very, very valuable. Good people, good advice, and some good deals. Better deals than I find from time to time, because I don't do this all day long. I do it in the morning. I update the website before 6:30 a.m. Pacific. You know what I'm talking about, right? I can't do it all day. All right, let's go. The previous picks of the day. Uh-oh, something big's happening. I'm getting texts. Let me go on to the 3 coin shops I recommend. This is Vermilion, this is Minot, and this is Coin Huskers. Great deals happening over there. Check all 3 of them out. Click the bell, subscribe, and when they have a Buy It Now video, you jump on it right away. Okay, and you'll have to figure out how to pay them, and you'll have to figure out what they're going to charge you for shipping, etc. And some of them are using California sales tax rules, like these guys here. Okay. Some may not be. Just telling you here. Thank you for your support. Bolden is a supporter of this website, and that way I don't have to take money from the big bullion dealers and do FOMO videos. So subscribe to Bolden. It will really help you with your financial planning. And the sooner you start planning, the sooner you can retire, or at least not be as destitute as you would otherwise be. It's very powerful software for about $100 a year, and I'm a paid subscriber. Thank you for the cups of coffee. You guys are very generous, and I just appreciate you guys very, very much for your donations there to keep me going. And I really also appreciate the members. So we're going to shout out the newest members to the fastest growing channel on YouTube. Okay, I lied. But click the join button there. It's $4.99 a month, and you'll be giving me moral and financial support. And if you do, you'll be able to buy my silver and get some other perks, as well as unlimited access to me. Let's welcome the new channel members. All right, and we have a big welcome to Caleb Liebold, all right, who joined, I guess, today. Welcome. And also Ken Work and AG Silverstan, our new recent members as well. Thank you very much. If you want a silver bar, one of my poured bars, reach out to me at losinglouis@yahoo.com, or any way you want to contact me. You can comment in the videos here. You can ask a question over on the website, Best Silver Gold Deals. You can also throw something up in the chat room, but the fastest way to get my response is losinglouis@yahoo.com. And welcome. I appreciate you guys, and if nothing else, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and subscribe, and that helps the channel grow as well. All right, we're going to check spot price one more time. I have a hunch something big is happening here. And we got, gold reversal down $3 and silver down 43 cents. I knew it. So in the futures market, silver is now at, futures went up and spot went down. Isn't that interesting? But we have support at 32, so, again, we could have 50 cents a downside here. You'd be lucky if it went down 50 cents. That would take you in the 31s. I think 31s would be a good buy spot, anywhere in the 31s, because there's a lot of strength in silver and gold. And in the stock market, we got S&P. Oh, God, we got red again in the stock market. I think we're going to bust. God, my gut says we're going to bust that 200-day moving average, scare everybody out, and then bounce. We'll see what happens, and that could be good for metals. We haven't had the pan sell-off in metals, with the stock market absolutely getting destroyed here. The metals have not been part of that pan sell-off, and you never know when that's going to happen. That's the reason for my caution light, but maybe they won't. Maybe they won't correct if the stock market crashes. But watch that 200-day moving average on the S&P, and when we dip below it, I think you'll have some pretty good buying opportunities, because my guess is we'll bounce and go back up. That's all I have for you today. Remember that thumbs up, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Louis out.